with a new song. Today's song, it is called One Step in the Right Direction. And so I want to invite you to the YouTube channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe. And today's stage is dressed up as a road. As you can see, the road kind of goes up and winds around and then goes off in the distance. And so I was thinking that, and then the rainbow at the back, and so forth. So anyway, thank you as always. Thank you so much for your time, for your comments and encouragement and support. I mean, it means so much to me, and I thank you so much. And here we go with today's song, One Step in the Right Direction.
I know you remember how it felt to be put down, knocked down to the ground. But an upside down smile is actually a frown. Try turning it around. Look at it a different way. Love what you learn. Have you learned anything new about someone else today? You're one step closer, headed in the right direction, making a connection, helping those around you feel better. You're one step closer, headed in the right direction, making a connection, helping those around you feel better. Oh, you're one step closer. You're one step closer, headed in the right direction, making a connection, helping those around you feel better. You're one step closer, headed in the right direction, making a connection, helping those around you feel better. The road of life has many obstacles, plenty each day. Don't let them get in your way. Keep asking yourself, what is in my